Let's move on to taxes. In order to enable automated taxes in WooCommerce, we'll need to install two separate plugins. They're called Jetpack and WooCommerce Tax. Jetpack is required behind the scenes so that WooCommerce can securely calculate and sync tax rates through WordPress. To install these plugins, go to the left-hand side here, scroll down, and under Plugins, click on Add Plugin. Now Jetpack for me shows up right here at the top, and if it doesn't for you, just search for Jetpack here in the top right. I'm going to install Jetpack here. And once it's done installing, I'm going to click on Activate. I'm going to click the X here in the top right. And then from here, scroll down and find the Connect My Account button here at the bottom. Let's click into it. And we'll scroll down and click on Connect Your User Account. Then click on Approve. And now we'll need to install the WooCommerce Tax plugin. So now let's scroll down and go back to Plugins, then click on Add Plugin. Then in the top right, search up Tax. Then under WooCommerce Tax, click on Install Now. And once it's installed, click on Activate. And then you'll need to click on the big blue Connect button right here. Now we should be connected. If you scroll down here, you'll see the WooCommerce Tax here, and it is now activated. Now we'll want to toggle on the automated tax setting. So go up to WooCommerce here in the top left, and then click on Settings. Let's scroll down here and find the Enable Taxes setting. You'll want to check on Enable Tax Rates and Calculations. Then we'll scroll down the page here and click on Save Changes. And now there will be a new tab available at the top here that says Tax. So let's click into it. And then for automated taxes, it's currently set to disable automated taxes. So let's click into it and then click on Enable Automated Taxes. Here you have some other settings that you configure based on your exact tax scenario. I'm happy with everything being left as default, so I'll scroll down and click on Save Changes. And there we go. We now have automated taxes set up for our store. With that configured and turned on, we'll never have to worry about that again.